Welcome to Duogeeks, your premier destination for cutting-edge web design solutions. Since our inception in 2017, we've been dedicated to transforming digital landscapes with innovation and creativity. Are you struggling to make your online presence stand out? Do outdated websites leave potential customers clicking away before they even get to know you? In today's fast-paced digital world, having a captivating website is crucial for success. But fear not. Duogeeks is here to revolutionize your online presence. Our team of skilled designers and developers specializes in creating bespoke websites tailored to your unique needs. And from sleek and professional layouts to user-friendly interfaces, we're dedicated to bringing your vision to life. So why choose Duogeeks? Not only do we deliver stunning designs, but we also prioritize customer satisfaction above all else. With our attention to detail and commitment to excellence, you can trust us to exceed your expectations every step of the way. Don't let outdated web design hold you back. Choose Duogeeks and unlock the full potential of your online presence today. Contact us now to take your website to the next level. Duogeeks, where innovation meets excellence.